Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, I'm going to show you the easiest way to make money online for beginners in 2024. We'll be focusing on creating and selling digital products, which is a great way to earn passive income. Let's dive right in. So, why digital products? Well, they come with low overhead costs, they're scalable, and they offer a fantastic opportunity for passive income. Whether it's ebooks, online courses, printables, or software, digital products are a hit. The first step is choosing a profitable niche. Make sure it's something you're passionate about and that there's a demand for it in the market. Popular niches include health and wellness, personal development, and business and marketing. Next, let's create your first digital product. Let's say you're creating an ebook. Number 1. Researching your topic. Start by researching your topic thoroughly. Find out what questions people are asking and what content is already out there. Number 2. Outlining and writing content. Outline your ebook to organize your thoughts, then start writing. Focus on delivering value and answering the questions your audience has. Number 3. Designing your product. Use tools like Canva to design your ebook. Make it visually appealing and easy to read. Now, where should you sell your digital products? There are several platforms to choose from. Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing, KDP, for ebooks. Gumroad for various digital products. Etsy for printables. Teachable for online courses. Each platform has its pros and cons, so choose the one that best fits your product and audience. Marketing your digital products is crucial for success. Here are some basic strategies. Social media. Use platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter to promote your products. Email list. Build an email list to keep your audience informed about new products and updates. Collaborations. Collaborate with influencers or bloggers in your niche to reach a wider audience. Here are some tips for making your digital product successful. Focus on quality and value. Ensure your product provides real value to your customers. Engage with your audience, gather feedback, and make improvements based on it. Continuous improvement. Keep updating and improving your products to meet the changing needs of your audience. To recap, creating and selling digital products is a fantastic way to make money online in 2024. Start by choosing a profitable niche, create high-quality products, and market them effectively. By the way, if you're looking for an easy way to create stunning ebooks, I recommend checking out Scribble. It's a great tool that can help you design professional ebooks quickly. I've included my affiliate link in the description if you want to give it a try. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips on making money online. Thanks for watching.